Hello everyone, in this video we will see some easy and quick hairstyles. So first we have applied a clip and then taking 3 layers from one side and 1 layer from another, joining it to the clip. At last we are making a braid and forming a bun from it. Next we are going to take 2 layers from each side, joining them with a rubber band. Then we are making 2 braids and then again we are going to join them with the hair we've made earlier. Next we are going to take a ponytail and then applying this beautiful clip to it and folding the ponytail as shown in the video with the help of some clips and forming a bun. Next we are going to take 4 layers in total and joining them with 2 rubber bands. Then to the remaining hair we are making a braid and forming a bun with it. Next we are going to take 3 layers and then we are going to make a simple braid as shown in the video. We are not taking all of the hair. Then we are going to take the remaining hair and forming a normal ponytail as shown. Then again we are going to make a braid with the rest of the hair and converting them into a low bun. At last we are going to apply this beautiful rubber band to our hairstyle. Next we are going to make a simple braid. We are going to loosen it and then fold it into this hairstyle and applying a clutcher. Next we are going to take a clip, inserting it in our hair. Then we are passing 2 layers through it. After that we are making 2 braids and folding opposite to each other. Next we are going to take 4 layers, joining them together as shown. Then we are going to loosen it and applying this beautiful clutcher to it. Next we are going to take this tool and then clipping it in our hair and making this voluminous bun with the help of it. Next, here we are making a braid and then converting it into a bun and applying this beautiful clutcher. Next, we're gonna move ahead to take a simple braid, folding it into a bun. Next, we are going to use this tool for making this bun by folding them together and your bun is ready. Next, we are going to take this clip, inserting it in the ponytail as shown and then converting it with the help of a bobby pin into a bun. Next we are going to apply a clip in our hair and then taking 2 layers passing from the clip. Next we are going to insert a clip and then taking 1 layer from each side, joining them together into the clip and then making a bun out of a braid, securing it with a bobby pin. Next we are going to take 2 layers from each side and then converting the rest of the hair into this beautiful bun.